Welcome to my first Lunch and Learn course. I'm your host, Greg Olenick. There's a picture of me. I'm going to give a few more minutes for more people to join in. This course is basically, this first one is going to be a tour of my site and my courses. And I have everybody who's joining muted so that it won't be distracting. And if you have any questions during this session, take notes and then just feel free to email me. The only thing you need to take away from this session today is how to get to my website. It's ca5a.com, and that'll load my website. So once you're at my website, if you want to email me, you can click on my face, or my email address is in there. This is a health check pop-up. If you want to learn more about health checks, I'll send you information for the health checks on SAP. This site is around SAP training on plant maintenance, and there's a whole bunch of content on each of these tabs. But what I'll be focusing on today is the courses on site, like the learning management system. And I'll take you on a tour of what that's like and then how to join up as a student. There's a lot of free content, especially in my general computer skills course, which I'll show you how to get to. But for now, I'll just take you in. This is a free account if you want to set up your own learning management system, and I can help you with that. One last thing about me is I've been teaching SAP for more than 15 years and consulting all over the world on projects, and been building the online courses for the last year. Actually, I'll go into courses. So in the courses, you'll have online webinars that'll take you into my website. That's my YouTube channel. You can just go to YouTube and type Go Learn SAP Greg, and that'll take you there. I'll show you that later. This is my actual courses online, and this is a computer general course, as I mentioned, that you need to register, but I'll take you to this one first, SAP. So when you go to the SAP site and you want to, say, take a course or take a look at some free content, it'll ask you for your email address and your name, and that's just so you register. So if you're partway through a course, it'll send you an email reminding you in a week, and you can turn that off if you don't like it. Actually, I'm going to go in as a student, say for one of the free ones. So I'll take this course here, and I've already started it, so I can click on resume course, and it'll take me to where I left off. And so in the course, there may be text documents. There's a link here that launches a video. There's down below this, there's another content on the left. This is a tour through the functional location structure. So we're going to go to functional locations and double click on. So if I went to this without being signed in, if I went into the site, I'll just give you a demonstration of how it would be if I went into an incognito window for that link. Then if I went to take a course that was not free, like say this course here on Master Data of Assets, or I'll go to the next page. And the next page. So this one, bonds. So it's $99. So I can have a free trial. It'll give me access to a couple of the modules in that course, but you need to give your name. And countries required if you're purchasing because of taxes and so on. And then your email. Now, if you don't give an accurate, a real email, then the site won't be able to tell you when you're completed a course or not completed a course. Okay, so I'm in a course. SAP Bills of Material. It starts automatically, this video introduction. So I'm going to pause that and show you that the content on the left-hand side. So you can scroll down and see some of the other content is free as well. So there's an example like the introduction and agenda is free. So I'll show you the actual course. I build the course on my computer, and if I show you the course content I have 3 files. I have the file that's the PowerPoint slide, and I narrate it, then I convert it to a PDF so that students can download the PDF, and also convert it to the video that you'll see on the course site. So if I go into the actual PowerPoint rather than the course, then I can show you the content rather than having to watch through the video. So the agenda slide will show you what's covered in the course. And this course, this is just the introduction slideshow. Now, if I go into the actual creating bombs slideshow, that one will have an agenda also for that section. So this is the agenda of that section, how to create bombs. Now, what I recommend is creating bombs, like having a construction type. You create the assembly, MMP1, and then you can then populate it with parts from CS01. So it talks about following naming conventions and so on, and getting parts in the bomb and adding documents in the bomb. That's the first module. It's actually creating the bombs. The second one is managing bombs. This would be about sorting bombs, and so we did sorting in modifying the bomb in CS02. So talking about different ways of sorting through the menu path, and also using, if you're data dumping from Excel, so how to insert multiple items from Excel templates and so on. Dealing with obsolete parts, mass change in CS20. So that module is available for free download for a sample. So that's the managing bombs section. The section after that is reporting. Now, reporting is not just to print out what parts are in bomb, it's to do analysis, like comparisons and so on. So I'll show you what the agenda covers. Material bomb structures. These are reports, standard reports. Where used. So if you have a material that's, say, obsoleted or whatever, and you want to see what bombs is it used in, that's the transaction code CS15. Where materials are used in task lists also. So there's different reports. One is very useful, CS14, for comparing 2 bombs. This one will show you who's changed what where on the bombs. So different reports for different purposes. And the last section is visualizations of bombs. So this can be done within a work order. These are not standard SAP, but this is a SAP visualization from within a work order. And then you have other companies that do this, like NRX is not just for visualization, they're also for data cleansing. So they have a lot of scripts pre-done for cleansing data, all sorts of master data. And then there's this Metanoia company that their focus is on visualization of bombs. So there's the benefits and examples of what their bombs look like from within a work order. Where the future is going with that, this is a report about the idea of on the cloud bill of materials, that like one master database that would be on the cloud that would feed all data would be fed from different manufacturers, and the struggles of getting to that. And this is just the appendix. I would basically include a bunch of transaction codes that we've covered and some that we didn't, just so you have a general concept of what else is available for you. So that was just to cover some of the things that are inside the course, so you get an oversense of what the content is of a course such as this one. Now, some other things I'd like to do on this little tour, just a short tour talking about SAP, is my YouTube channel. So if you go to YouTube and you search for Go Learn SAP Greg, it'll bring up, there's one of my courses, that's the CS20 one, just the sample of that. And I do have closed caption set up on some of them. But near the end of the video, there's the subscribe link. And it takes you to the channel. Now I'm in edit mode because I own the channel, but there you see all the videos. This button will take you to the a playlist. Welcome to SAP. Go through the various courses. And this link will take you to the actual site for the courses. So in the comments of the videos, I have a link to the courses. So that's found on my website. It's easier to find than typing that link. Now, if you want to tell me what courses you need, there is a Google form that I built. I'll have it on my website. Basically, you fill in this form what you need in terms of what courses you want, or maybe more information about. I can send you user guides, and how you like courses to be delivered. What's your preference? I'm just taking a survey of users. You could provide your email address if you want. If you want me to get you back any information, I can send you user guides and so on, or just answer any questions you might have and submit. And that is it.